Welcome back to Nirvana Hub, where we explore ways to improve our well-being and lead healthier and more productive lives. In our fast-paced and achievement-oriented society, we are often led to believe that financial success and personal accomplishment require relentless effort and maximum exertion. Mastery of any skill takes time, but we often think that working hard is the only way to improve, but it's not guaranteed because working hard really means that you're busy. A counterintuitive concept, known as the effort paradox, challenges the conventional wisdom that working hard all the time equals success. The effort paradox suggests that in certain situations, expending less effort or trying less may lead to better results and outcomes. This is also sometimes referred to as the law of reversed effort. In this video, we will explore the effort paradox, its underlying principles, and its implications for personal development, productivity, creativity, and problem solving. The harder we try, the less likely we are to succeed. Aldous Huxley. The flow state and optimal effort. One key aspect of the effort paradox is the concept of the flow state. Taoists for centuries called it Wu Wei, meaning effortless action. When individuals are fully immersed in an activity they enjoy and excel at, they can enter a state of effortless focus and heightened performance. In these moments, less conscious effort is required as the task becomes intrinsically motivating and enjoyable. By finding activities that align with our skills and passions, we can tap into the power of the flow state and achieve remarkable results with seemingly minimal effort. For example, in sports like golf or archery, excessive effort or trying too hard to achieve a perfect shot can lead to tension and poor performance. However, when athletes relax, trust their training, and let their skills flow naturally, they often achieve better results. Overthinking and pressure. Excessive effort or overthinking can hinder performance and productivity. When we become too fixated on the outcome or place undue pressure on ourselves, it can lead to anxiety, mental blocks, and reduced effectiveness. The law of reversed effort suggests that easing off and adopting a more relaxed or detached mindset can actually improve our performance. By letting go of excessive striving and embracing a state of relaxed focus, we create space for creativity and clarity to emerge. For example, many students experience the effort paradox when they try to cram large amounts of information before an exam. Research has shown that regular breaks can enhance learning and retention. By allowing the mind to rest and process information over time, students often perform better on exams compared to those who exhaust themselves with intense last-minute efforts. Creativity and problem solving. The effort paradox is particularly relevant in the realms of creativity and problem solving. Research has shown that taking breaks, engaging in unrelated activities, or allowing the mind to wander can enhance creative thinking and lead to innovative solutions. Rather than persistently exerting effort, stepping away from a problem and giving our minds a chance to rest can yield breakthrough insights. Embracing periods of relaxation can pave the way for fresh perspectives and imaginative breakthroughs. Artists, writers, and musicians often encounter the effort paradox in their creative process. By releasing the pressure to create and embracing a more relaxed state, they can tap into their creativity and produce their best work. The effort paradox invites us to reconsider our deeply ingrained beliefs about the relationship between effort and success. While effort certainly has its place, blindly striving and overexerting ourselves may not always be the most effective approach. By remembering the law of reversed effort, we can start to embrace the flow state, and letting go of overthinking, we can achieve greater outcomes with less struggle. In a world that celebrates hustle and grind, remember that sometimes less can indeed be more. We hope that you found this video helpful. Share it with someone who can benefit from the information and subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.